Hi, so are you one of those who are waiting for your turn for your vaccination? Or you just want to know, you're curious how people in England do their booking for vaccination? So in this episode, I will show you how I booked my vaccination via online and my experience during my vaccination day. So I have been waiting for my turn. When will be my vaccination for COVID? I know they start from 60 years old, 50 years old, 40s. And I was thinking, shall I call my general practitioner? So finally, on 27th of April, I received a text message from the National Health Service. It's my turn! Yay! And the following day, BBC News released a update that 44 years old will start receiving the vaccine. If this is what you want to know, stay tuned. I will show to you the step by step when I book my vaccination via online. And here it is. So go to nhs.co.uk and click book or manage your COVID-19 vaccination. Have a good read on this second page. And then you will see that book my appointment green button. Click that green button, and it so happened that I know my NHS number, so I click yes, I know my NHS number, and I entered it. I'm not sure if you don't know your NHS number, I'm not sure what page will appear, and enter my date of birth. I didn't have any flu vaccine the past 7 days. I didn't have flu vaccine appointment soon. And enter your postcode. Then it will take you to this page. It will ask you for any access that you need. I didn't need any access. And then the next page is the nearest vaccination center near your postcode. And the next page is the next available slots in the next 5 days. So I chose the earliest one, the 28th of April. Click that. And then click the green button next. And available time range, I chose the earliest, so I'll be in front of the queue. And available arrival time, I chose 8:25 a.m. And the next page is, would you like to go to the same place to get your second dose? I chose yes. And the earliest booking will be 14th of July, so I chose the earliest again. And then that's arrival time, I chose 8:20 a.m. And would you like to receive confirmation of your booking? Yes, I would like to receive it via email. So I entered my email address and I confirm my email address again, and then I click the green button, and there you go, I got my booking reference number. No one is in the queue. It's 8:20 in the morning. It's difficult to relax.
I know, easy for me to say, isn't it?
Oh, thank you. So that was my experience with my today's COVID-19 vaccine. Before they gave me the injection, they asked me for any symptoms or allergies, those basic health questions. And so after the injection, they will give you this leaflet, what to expect. And if you are unwell for 2 or 3 days, you have to consult your general practitioner or your doctor. So thank you, NHS. I got my first dose, and I'll see them in July for my second dose. Ciao, ciao!